Today I have another special unboxing video on my YouTube channel. It's been a long time since I made a video like this. Usually I do gameplays and tutorials of how you can beat some games, but this time I wanted to show you my new Huawei FreeBuds 6i. This video is gonna be mostly about what you can find in the box, and I'm gonna show you everything that you can find in this box, in this small box. Obviously I cannot show you how is the sound, at least I don't know how to do that, but I'm gonna explain because I tested this buds on my phone after that, and let me tell you that buds is really good, at least for compared with other things that I used in the past. The advertising says it's super quiet, super bass. So the bass is really good. They feel really nice in your ear, and also the materials and what you can find in the box looks or feels like it's quality made. I have to tell you, I'm not sure how this is compared with the one from the Apple or from the Samsung, but you know what, I think I had something from the Samsung. I used them for a short while, but I think I prefer this a little bit better. Maybe it's a new technology or something like that. You're gonna get this free cable. It's too short in my opinion, but yeah, I wish it could be a little bit bigger. And also you're gonna get this ear rubber things that you can just adjust to your ears. There is a small one and a big one that you can just change. Again, very they are feels like are really quality made, so I like them. Now let's see what is in the other bag. And also, by the way, if you are here for the first time on my YouTube channel, it will be so awesome if you can hit the like button, subscribe and share. Usually I don't do unboxings, but maybe if you like, I'm gonna do more like this. Usually I do gameplay, and again, it's only up to you if you want to see more and more videos like this. So this is the comparison of what you're gonna get. Those are the two type of rubbers that came into your ear. You can change them very easy. Also, there is a small booklet inside. I just wanted to show what's in the box mainly. And yes, my overall experience, just my opinion. I didn't get paid to do this video. This is just something that I bought, so yeah, I didn't get paid to do this video. My experience, those are quite nice, and I cannot find something that I don't like about them. I wish I could tell you, but no. Look how the shape of this thing and the materials are really awesome. You can take them in 3 colors if I am not wrong, at least 3 colors, and I got them on black. I was thinking those are looking quite nice, but also most of the people I think they just get this on white. For me, it was a little bit better to get them on black, or I think it's a dark gray or black, I don't even know. The color says on the box, no, it's black, yes. By the way, if you are searching the charging case model, it's T0019L, and the earphone model, it's T0019. So if you are wondering about that, yeah, this is the model. Okay, let's see what else it has. Intelligent Dynamic ANC 3.0, quad magnetic dynamic driver with punchy bass, 35 hours of playback with the case. Okay, I was just reading something on the box. So 35 hours of playback. I think it's really good, at least in my opinion. Tell me what you think about them. So this is the box, this is how they look. I hope this video was useful for you. Like, subscribe, share, press the notification bell. Love you all, and see you in the next one. Be safe. Bye.